Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're making mac and cheese with tuna and baby spinach. For this recipe we're going to use butter, we're going to use tinned tuna. You can use the brand that you're comfortable with. For the cheese we're going to work with mozzarella and sharp cheddar. That's the one that I'm using. Of course we'll need salt. This is the baby spinach that I'm going to be working with. And I'm using this pasta. We'll need heavy whipping cream rather, and black pepper. We're also gonna need onion. You'll see the other ingredients as the video rolls. My baby spinach is clean and I'm going to begin by cutting it. This is optional. You can choose to cook your baby spinach whole, but today I just prefer having it cut. Next, you're going to chop onions. I'm using the white sweet onion here, and then later on we're going to grate garlic. I'm opening the can of tuna so that it's on standby when I'm ready to use it. In boiling water, I'm going to put a bit of cooking oil and then add in a bit of salt. This is in preparation to add in the pasta. The pasta is well done. You do not want to overcook it because we're still going to add it in the spinach and tuna mix. In a heated pot, I'm going to melt in butter. The butter is melted and now I'm going in with garlic. The garlic is done. I'm now going to add in the onions. The heat is high, so I'm going to reduce it. I'm now ready to put in my spinach. The spinach is cooked, and now I'm going to go in with the tuna, and then later the cream, and then finally the pasta and the cheese. I'm going to season this with black pepper and salt to taste. I'm now going to add in the cheese. This is the mixture of the mozzarella and the sharp cheddar cheese. This is set, and now we're ready to serve. For videos like this and more, please subscribe to my channel. Till the next one, bye!